guys, it's Ashley from Out Easykicks Reviews, and I'm here with Penelope, and we are unboxing Easykicks. Okay, so if you haven't heard about Easykicks, this is a really cool sneaker subscription for children. How many pairs of shoes have we gone through this year for you? Just
for
you?
For me, I've had my orange shoes, gray shoes.
It just seems like we go,
sandals.
and they all tear, yeah, holes in the
tear. Boots.
So that's like, and it gets really pricey. And when you have 4 kids like me, it's just even worse. And then you need summer shoes, you need blank, you need blank, you need blank. Easykicks partners with Nike, and they send you sneakers okay, so here's how it works. You're not buying the sneakers. It's like a sneaker exchange program. So you pay a $20 membership fee, and they send you your choice of sneakers. Penny doesn't know I picked hers. I want to see if she likes them or not. We're going to find out. And then they send you the sneakers, and when you're ready to get new ones, you pick them, and then they send you a bag. And I forgot it's downstairs. They send you a bag to return your sneakers in, and so that you always have a new pair of sneakers whenever you need them. If you choose not to get a pair of sneakers each month, you're still going to pay that $20 fee. So it's up to you. But it's a nice way to constantly have a fresh pair of cool sneakers.
And I really want to see my sneakers.
Penny's really excited. So here's what it's like.
My sister saw them earlier, but I didn't. And she told me
did she?
Yeah.
She's not supposed to be sneaking in the boxes.
And I told...
Okay, that's enough. I am going to link down below to my full review. I will also link to Easykicks so you can check them out. But here is how it comes. All right, and I'm going to let you open the box since you're, you know... Oh, here's our... They sent a new one. There was something mixed up last month with the return labels, and it does have your child's name. You can do 2, more than one, or you know what I mean, more than one subscription, and have it all in the same plan, and like be able to go in and choose your sneakers that way. All right, so Penelope, get in there.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! So. We gotta show everybody, okay? So take one out and show the other side. This is the side you should. There you go. So Penelope's favorite color is yellow. But she's also not like a very, what would be the word? Loud person. She likes very like simple, right? I mean,
yes.
Is that correct or incorrect?
Yes.
So I chose these because there's a very basic style, but it has that fun pop of yellow. So these are really cool. What do you think?
I love them.
I like them too. I think they're really neat. So there you go.
I hope they fit.
Bam, bam, baby. All right, I hope they do too. So anyway, if you're interested in checking out, I dropped it, Easykicks, I will link to them below. I will also link to my full review. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Oh look, there's plastic. They put this in instead. Oh, those are just your laces. Never mind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.